have last will. You cannot say
Whoever
any
killed
information you
me.
learned last night.
Whoever killed me, I hate him.
Alright, you go inside their house and notice several bulletproof vests, as well as a mini one on the nightstand. They were your town's bodyguard.
Oh, good. I'm hungry.
Alright, 60
died.
seconds of discussion.
Fire real quick. Thank you. I'm pure comedy gold.
Jax, is it?
Are you? Why the fuck are you?
Wait, what makes
Michael
you think he was
Myers.
two? Because you're pointing at him.
You know what,
We can
bitch?
vote them out, but we need the proof, bro.
I'm gonna
We need
rewrite
something.
this bitch. I'm here. You and me. Let's go. Come on. We're having it out. Come on. Let's go. We're having it out.